Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear little cute girls onions. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and sound, healthy, wealthy, and wise at your homes. Yes, students, I'm here with your English lecture, and it's my lecture for the class 1. आज आपका इंग्लिश का लेक्चर है और ये क्लास 1 के लिए है. Today we will learn year number 10. Year number 10, the topic is the man with the coconuts. The man with the coconuts. Yes, students, it's my lecture for class 1. Class 1, all of you take out your active English course book 1. All of you take out your active English. Yes, page number 98. Page number 98. Year number 10, the man with the coconuts. As you can see, the topic is written over here on the board. Unit number 10, the man with the coconuts. Man with the coconuts. A man. ये देखिए, you can see the man. A man है. Man. He's having many coconuts. ठीक है? On the horse cart. Horse cart है इनके पास और इसपे बहुत से coconuts हैं. So आज हम इसके बारे में learn करने जा रहे हैं. So my dear students, first of all, we're going to start my lesson. When you go to school, do you walk fast or slow? जब आप स्कूल जाते हो तो क्या आप फास्ट चलते हो या स्लो चलते हैं? और अगर what do you think what will be happen if you will walk very fast or slow? What might happen if you walk too slowly and what might happen if you walk too fast? क्या होता है अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा तेजी से चलते हैं और बहुत ज्यादा स्लो चलते हैं तो क्या होता है? ओके, सो अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा जल्दी जा रहे होते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा हरी में होते हैं, जल्दी चलते हैं, तो उससे क्या हो सकता है कि आपकी जो थिंग्स होती हैं आपके पास, द थिंग्स दैट यू कैरी, वो मिसप्लेस हो सकती हैं, वो गिर सकती हैं जब आप बहुत ज्यादा तेजी से भागते हैं या जाते हैं. और बहुत ज्यादा अगर स्लो चलेंगे तो क्या होगा? तो फिर आप बहुत लेट भी पहुंच सकते हैं. अगर टाइम घर से निकलेंगे तो जल्दी आ जाएंगे. If you people are carrying very decent things in your bag, अगर आपके बैग में बहुत important things हैं तो आप slowly ही चलेंगे. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा fast नहीं जाएंगे because आपकी वो चीज़ें खराब हो सकती हैं ना. So the lesson is lesson unit number 10, the man with coconuts. The story of man who carries many coconuts on the horse cart. तो एक man की story है जो horse cart पे अपने coconuts लेके जा रहा है. तो वो He asked from a man कि मैं घर जा रहा हूँ तो how many time does it takes, कि कितना टाइम लगेगा मुझे घर जाने में. So the man said, man ये कहता है if you go slowly you will reach very soon, but if you go fast it will take you all the day to reach your house. तो it was quite a strange answer. तो ये बहुत strange answer था उस man के लिए, because he said कि अगर आप बहुत slowly जाओगे, if you will walk slowly, then आप बहुत जल्दी घर पहुंच जाओगे, and if you will move very fast, तो it will take a whole day. तो बहुत full day लग जाएगा आपको घर जाने में. तो वो बहुत strange सा आंसर था. तो मैन जो था वो बड़ा कंफ्यूज था कि why he said this, कि उसने क्यों कहा ऐसा ना. So let's read a story. Then what will happen next I will tell you. One day a man went out to gather coconuts. He found many coconuts and put them all on his horse cart. Horse cart. This is a horse and a cart. ठीक है? It's a means of transport as well and it's called horse cart. इसे हम horse cart भी बोलते हैं कि it carries very heavy loads. इसमें हम लोड रख सकते हैं, इसमें लोड इसको हम एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस लेके जा सकते हैं. ठीक है, the man you can see a man on the horse cart. और यही man जो horse cart पे है, यही man क्या करते हैं, he put all the coconuts in the cart. ये सारे coconuts अपने cart में रखते हैं. ठीक है, and on his way home he met a boy. तो वो एक बॉय से मिला जब वो घर जा रहा था. The man asked, how will it take to reach my house? तो कितना टाइम लगेगा मैं अपने घर जाने में? The boy looked at the heavy load of coconuts and said, the boy first looked at the load of coconuts, load of horse cart. पहले क्या किया बॉय ने उस हॉर्स कार्ट के लोड को देखा और देन उसको सजेस्ट किया, इफ यू गो स्लोली यू विल रीच वेरी सून. अगर आप आहिस्ता जाओगे तो आप बहुत जल्दी घर पहुंचोगे. एंड बट इफ यू गो वेरी फास्ट इट विल टेक यू ऑल द डे टू रीच योर हाउस. तो बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा, फुल डे लग जाएगा वो घर जाने में. द मैन थॉट अबाउट द स्ट्रेंज रिप्लाई एंड बिगन टू हरी हिज हाउस. तो क्या होता है, मैन पहले उसके रिप्लाई के बारे में सोचता है, इट वॉज क्वाइट अ स्ट्रेंज. तो क्या करता है, एंड बिगन टू हरी हिज हॉर्स. वो अपने हॉर्स को बहुत तेजी से ले जाता है, ठीक है, कि मैं जल्दी घर पहुंच जाऊंगा. बट द कोकोनट्स फेल ऑफ एंड ही हैड टू स्टॉप एंड पिक देम अप. द कोकोनट्स फेल ऑफ. देखिए एज ही स्टार्ट किया, जैसे ही इन्होंने अपने हॉर्स को बहुत हरी किया, कार्ट बहुत हरी मूव करने लगी, देन ऑल द कोकोनट्स फेल ऑफ. सारे कोकोनट्स क्या हुए, गिर गए फ्रॉम द कार्ट, हॉर्स कार्ट से नीचे गिर गए. देन क्या किया, ही हैज टू स्टॉप. फिर ये रुके, उनको रुकना पड़ा. द मैन हैज टू स्टॉप. वो रुका, उसने सारे कोकोनट्स उठाए और अगेन अपने जो है कार्ट में, हॉर्स कार्ट में उसको रखा उन्होंने. Then the coconuts fell off and he had to stop and pick them up. Then the man hurried again to make up for the lost time. Then man बहुत ज़्यादा और जल्दी में, because जो टाइम उसका वहाँ वेस्ट हुआ for picking up the coconuts, तो वो उसको भी meet up करना चाह रहा था. Then the man hurried again to make up for the lost time. Again the coconuts fell and the man had to stop again to pick them all up. फिर से वही, the coconuts fell off and he has to stop for picking up the coconuts again. Again and again man hurried and again the coconuts fell off. Again and again the man hurried and again coconuts fell off. Okay, and again man had to stop. जब बार बार वो बहुत तेजी से जाएगा, अपनी स्पीड अप करेगा, then the coconuts will fall and he has to stop for picking them all. Okay, what at the last he reached at home. When he reached at his home, it was night. Almost उसने full day consume किया because he want to get back his home very soon. And उसने बहुत हरी में हरी में था, अपने कार्ट को बहुत जल्दी लेके जाना चाह रहा था. बट कोकोनट्स गिरते रहे, वो उन्हें पिक करता रहा एंड अगेन एंड अगेन उसे स्टॉप करना पड़ा. दैट्स व्हाई इट टेक्स टू मच टाइम. एंड when at last he reached home, it was night. The man thought of what the boy had said and it did not seem strange anymore. Then उसने उस बात को जो उस बॉय ने की थी रिमेंबर किया, बट नाउ इट नॉट सीम्स लाइक अ स्ट्रेंज. अब वो बात उसे स्ट्रेंज नहीं लग रही थी, अब वो बात उसे रियलिटी से ऑपोजिट नहीं लग रही थी, बिकॉज इट वॉज हिज एक्सपीरियंस ना, उसने एक्सपीरियंस करके देखा. द बॉय वॉज क्वाइट राइट. बॉय बहुत ज्यादा राइट था, वो बिल्कुल ठीक था. हॉर्स कार्ट, यू कैन सी द हॉर्स कार्ट ओवर हियर, हरी, बहुत तेजी में, बहुत जल्दी. ओके, स्लोली, वेरी स्लो, बहुत स्लो, आहिस्ता से. ओके, फास्ट, वेरी फास्ट, बहुत तेजी से. एंड स्ट्रेंज इज समथिंग इज लुक्स वेरी ऑड. एक चीज जो बहुत अजीब लगे, जो रियलिटी से आपको ऑपोजिट लगे, इट्स कॉल्ड वेरी स्ट्रेंज. ओके, जो अजीब हो, आपको वो ऑड लगे, तो that's called very strange. Okay, my dear students, it's a very interesting story that I have told you about the man with the coconuts. तो अब उस मैन को, what do you think, मैन को कैसे जाना चाहिए था? उसे उसकी एडवाइस को मानना पे एक्ट अपॉन करना चाहिए था ना, उसकी एडवाइस को मानना चाहिए था और उसको स्लोली ही जाना चाहिए था. जो टाइम उसने वहाँ कंज्यूम किया, अगेन एंड अगेन उसे हरी किया और वो कोकोनट्स गिर गए, उन्हें पिकअप किया, तो तो जो टाइम वहां कंज्यूम हुआ उसी टाइम को उसको राइट वे में कंज्यूम करना चाहिए था. ही हैज टू बी स्लोली. ओके, now it's a reading comprehension, page number 99. All of you take out your page number 99. It's a reading comprehension. Yes, circle the correct answer. When the man hurried his horse, जब man बहुत ज़्यादा hurry था, then his horse, the coconuts fell off. He was able to reach home quickly. No, the first one is right. The coconuts fell off. The coconuts fell off. Coconuts fell off. Next, when the coconuts fell off, the man went back to gather more coconuts, or man had to stop to pick them. Man had to stop and pick them. Okay. Then the man gathered many coconuts. The man gathered many coconuts. Many coconuts that made a heavy load on his cart to share with the boy. No, उसने बॉय के साथ शेयर तो नहीं किए, उसने वो सारे कोकोनट्स लोड किए इन हिज हॉर्स कार्ट. तो हॉर्स कार्ट में लोड करने से क्या हुआ, वो लोड ज्यादा हो गया. ठीक है, हॉर्स कार्ट पे ज्यादा कोकोनट्स हो गए, बर्डन ज्यादा हो गया. ओके, द मैन रीच्ड होम लेट एट नाइट because his coconuts kept falling from his cart, or because his horse was too slow. No, his horse was not very slow, because his coconuts kept falling from the cart. क्योंकि coconuts again and again गिर रहे थे ना कार्ट से बाहर, इसीलिए उनको लेट हो रही थी. ठीक है, पेज नंबर 100. It's about the vocabulary. You will learn the new vocabulary. There are many kinds of fruits on the table. You can see the many kinds of fruits on the table over here. Yes, can you? Yes, you can see. And you can see the table with many fruits on page number 100 as well. Okay. So my dear students, you will learn the name of fruits. It's a coconut, apple, orange, grapes, banana, pineapple, mango, watermelon and papaya. Yes, my dear students, when you go to your fruit seller shop, green grocer shop, you can see all the fruits over there. आप ये सारे fruits वहाँ देखते हो ना, ये सारे fruits आपको वहाँ मिलते हैं, वहाँ देखते हो ना. एंड जो आपको पसंद होते हैं आप वो परचेज करते हैं. सो इट्स अ कोकोनट, ग्रेप्स, मैंगो, वाटरमेलन, ऑरेंज, एप्पल, बनाना, पाइनएप्पल एंड पपाया. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमारे सीजनल फ्रूट्स भी होते हैं. कुछ फ्रूट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो विंटर में होते हैं, एंड सम फ्रूट्स आर द समर सीजन फ्रूट्स. तो कुछ हमारे समर सीजन के फ्रूट होते हैं, कुछ विंटर सीजन के फ्रूट्स होते हैं. तो देयर आर मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स. स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू लर्न द नेम ऑफ दिस फ्रूट्स एज वेल. आपको इन फ्रूट्स के नेम्स को लर्न भी करना है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, अनस्क्रैम्बल द लेटर्स एंड राइट द नेम ऑफ फ्रूट्स. पेज नंबर 100. एक्टिविटी B, unscramble the word. You can see the pictures of fruit on the top. आप फ्रूट की पिक्चर देख सकते हो, एंड अनस्क्रैम्बल वर्ड्स को आपने अरेंज करना है. द फर्स्ट वन इज एप्पल. APPLE, apple. Then the watermelon, the spelling of watermelon, and then banana and papaya. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको इनके नेम राइट आउट करने हैं. द वर्ड्स आर गिवन इन द अनस्क्रैम्बल फॉर्म. आपने इनको अरेंज करके करेक्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है और इसके नेम को फॉर्म करना है. ओके, सो वी हैव डन विद द वोकैबुलरी. नेक्स्ट, ग्रामर. द वर्ड्स ऑन, at, in are the preposition. They tell us where something is placed. Students, now I will tell you about the preposition. What is preposition? So the preposition are the words that deal with the position, that tell us something about, tell us where something is placed. ठीक है? Tell us where the something is, position of something. Okay? prepositions हमें किसी भी चीज की पोजीशन के बारे में बताते हैं कि where the something is placed, कहाँ कौन सी चीज रखी है. Okay, so the coconuts are on the cart or under the cart. The coconuts are, you can see the picture over here of the coconuts are on the cart. Coconuts कहाँ है? cart के ऊपर हैं. So we will use on. ऊपर है मतलब on यूज करेंगे हम ऊपर के लिए. This scissor is on the dice. Scissor is on the dice. तो scissor कहाँ है? dice के ऊपर है. On is a preposition and it tells us the position of the scissor. Where the scissor is on the dice. Okay, the book is on the dice. The book is on the dice. Where is the book? It is on the dice. Where is the book? It is on the dice. So the on is a preposition that tell us about the position of something. Okay. The coconuts are on the cart. The children are at the bus stop. So where the children are standing? Where the children are standing? They are at the bus stop. They are at the bus stop. That is a preposition and tell us where they are standing. Okay, they tell us the position and the place. हमें position और place के बारे में बता रहा है. Preposition at is a preposition. On, at, in. The preposition words. He put the coins in his pockets. You can see a boy over here. He is putting his coins in the pocket. In his pocket. In is the preposition and tell us about the position, the place. हमें place के बारे में बता रहा है कि where is the coins. Coins are in his pockets. Coins कहाँ हैं? उनकी pocket के अंदर हैं. In, at, on are the prepositions. Prepositions tell us where something is placed. कोई भी चीज कहाँ पड़ी है, position कहाँ है. Book is on the table. Then the position is book is on the table. On the dice. Dice. On the dice. Dice के ऊपर है तो on is the preposition. Tell us the position and place of something of book. Where is the book? On the dice. Where is the scissor? On the dice. Okay. So complete the sentences with on, at, and in preposition. The coconuts fell on the ground. Fell in the ground or on the ground? On the ground. Ground के ऊपर गिरे हैं ना. So on is the preposition. Tell us the position. Where is where the coconuts are? They are on the ground. On the ground. So you will write on. The coconuts fell on the ground. Fell on the ground. Fell on the ground. The next thing is the boy put the coins on the bookshelves. Bookshelf के ऊपर उसने अपने coins को रखा. Then the horse stopped at the well. Stopped at the well. Where the horse stopped? किस जगह पे वो रुका? At the well. उस place के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? At. At tell us about the place. Okay. He put the fruits in a box. Put the fruits in a box. के box के अंदर उसने रखे हैं. In a cart. In a box. कोई भी चीज हम कहीं रखें तो उसके लिए हम करते हैं in. In यूज करते हैं. Okay. So there is a banana on the table. Banana on the table. Table के ऊपर है banana. So we will use on. Preposition word on. The banana is on the table and James put his shopping bags in the car. So James going for the shopping. James shopping के लिए जा रहे हैं. He has to carry his shopping bags and put in the car. वो अपने कार में रखेंगे. ठीक है. वो shopping के लिए जा रहे हैं. So put his shopping bags in the car. In the car. We use the words there is and there are. Grammar use of is, are. So we use there is to talk about one thing, and we use there are to talk about more than one thing. ठीक है, more than one thing, एक चीज के लिए हम यूज करेंगे is, there is, and we will use there are for more than one thing. ठीक है, एक से ज्यादा चीज के लिए हम यूज करेंगे there are. There are. So there is a cart near a tree. There is one cart now. That's why we will use is. There is. There is a cart. There is a cart near the tree. There is one cart. That's why we will use there is a cart. A cart near the tree. Okay. Next, there is a man collecting coconuts. There is a man, na, just single man, one man. That's why we will use there is a man collecting what? Collecting coconuts. Collecting coconuts. There are coconuts on the cart. Cart पे बहुत ज़्यादा coconuts हैं, इसलिए we will use the are. There are. ज़्यादा के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Are. And more than one things के लिए हम are यूज करते हैं. For the one thing we will use is. Like this, there is a cart and there are coconuts on the cart. On is the preposition. On is the preposition. It tells you about the position of coconuts. ठीक है? There are children eating coconuts. There are ज़्यादा बच्चे हैं, so we will use are. There are children. What they are eating? They are eating coconuts. They are eating coconuts. Coconuts is a fruit. Coconut is a very tasty fruit. So हम सबको कोकोनट से खाना जो है वो आपको खाना चाहिए, बहुत अच्छा होता है कोकोनट. Complete the sentences with is or are. Is or are, it's quite easy. For the single thing you will use is, and for one then more thing you will use are. So my dear student, there is a horse on a farm. There is a horse, just one horse. So we will use is. Okay. There are men selling coconuts by the road. Selling. So there are men. M-A-N, men. No. M-E-N, men. Used for many peoples. Used for one then more man. Okay. Men. M-E-N is the plural of man. Okay. So that's why we will use are. There is a butterfly on the flower. There is a butterfly. A butterfly, एक butterfly, then there is a butterfly. There are many birds in the sky. There are many birds in the sky. There is a coconut in the kitchen and there are apples in the fridge. There are apples, many apples. That's why we will use are for the apples. Okay. So my students, reading comprehension, vocabulary, grammar, and now we will learn about the spellings. Read the words. They have the WH sound. WH words, they are also called the WH words as well. Okay? What, where, when, which, why. Okay? What, where, when, which, and why. The 5 words, they are also called WH words. What, where, when, which, why. They are also the questioning words. इन्हें हम questioning words भी बोलते हैं, my dear students. They are called the questioning words, WH words, because they are having WH sound. Word sound. What, where, when, which, why. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the words from the word list above. And remember to use each word only once. Each word only once. Okay students, they are also called the questioning words, WH words, word sound words as well. Okay, there are 5 words: what, where, when, which, and why. So dash is your name. Where is your name? When is your name? Which is your name? Why is your name? Or what is your name? What is your name? What is your name? When did Raymond leave? When did Raymond leave? And where did the man go? Where did the man go? Where means कहाँ. Did the man go? Man कहाँ गए? ठीक है, वो man कहाँ गया? Which is your house? आपका घर कौन सा है? Which is your house? आपका घर कौन सा है? Why did the coconuts fall off the car? कि coconuts क्यों गिरे कार से नीचे? Because the man was in very hurry. That's why the coconuts fell off. So students, what is your name? When did Raymond leave? Where did the man go? Which is your house? And why did the coconuts fall off the car? Okay, did the coconuts, they fell off the cart because the man was in very hurry. That's why, and the cart was very heavy as well. So my dear students, take out page number 106. It's all about writing. Complete the sentences by using there is and there are, the reinforcement of there is and there are. So students, there is a cover on the table. There is one cover, okay, on the table. That's why we'll use there is. There is a cover on the table. There are grapes in the fridge. There are many grapes. You can see the many grapes. Bunch of grapes. That's why you will use there are. There are. There is a picture of fruits on a wall. This is one picture of fruit. There are many fruit, but the picture of fruit is one. Okay. There is a picture of fruit. There is a picture of fruit. There are many fruits in a shop. In a shop there are many fruits. Many fruits, तो are use करेंगे many के लिए, ठीक है? There is a fruit box on the shelf. Just a box of fruit. That's why just one box of fruit we will use is. Is, okay? Words, write words that begin the WH sound, W sound. So आप कौन से words write करोगे? What, where, when, which, why. What, where, when, which, why over here. Okay? So my dear student, in this lesson we have learned about the story of coconuts and with the coconuts. Okay? कि हमें कोई नसीहत करता है या हमें कुछ कोई हमारा वेल विशर हमें कुछ अच्छी एडवाइस करता है, तो वी वुड एक्ट अपॉन दिस. हमें उसकी बात को मानना चाहिए, अमल करना चाहिए उस पे. सो देन vocabulary of fruits, grammar, use of is and are. We will use is for the single thing and are for the more than one thing. Spelling, WH sound words, questioning words, WH words, verb sound words. What, where, when, why. Writing, review, writing of the reinforcement of there is and there are, and the review of WH sound words. We have done with this, my dear students. We have completed our lesson. I hope आपने बहुत सा learn कर लिया होगा. And all the things you have to practice. Okay, keep practicing. आप practice ज़्यादा करेंगे, so you will learn many things. Okay, practice is the key. ये प्रैक्टिस आपकी की होती है. आप जितना प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आप उतना ही लर्न करेंगे. So you have to learn year number 10 from your books, notes as well. Students, you can come to the school and purchase your notes as well. स्कूल आए और अपने नोट्स परचेज करें. ओके, ये लेक्चर्स आपको YouTube पे भी अवेलेबल होंगे. You have to subscribe the Garrison School System Junk channel, YouTube channel, and press the bell icon must, so you can get the latest update and notification as well. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.